Section 1 Motor Mounting. Part 1. Remove our manual roller shade. Part 2. Open our product package. It includes a motor, charging cable, remote control, instruction manual. Part 3. Remove the old manual pull rope and accessories. Part 4. Load the motor gently, paying attention to the orientation of the slots. Part 5. Put the shades back on the windows. Section 2 Remote Control Pairing and Limit Setting. Part 1. Remote Pairing. Press the programming button of the motor for once. Motor jog once. Press the up button of the remote control. Part 2. First limit setting. Press the remote control prog button. Motor jog once means that the limit setting is entered. Press the remote control up button to adjust the roller shade to the uppermost point, then press the stop button. Press the remote control prog key again for once to save the current limit setting. Part 3. Second limit setting. Press the remote control prog button. Motor jog once means that the limit setting is entered. Press the remote control down button to adjust the roller shade to the uppermost point, then press the stop button. Press the remote control prog key again for once to save the current limit setting. Section 3 App Settings. Part 1. Tuya Smart Gateway Configuration Network. Gateway plugs into Type-C 5V. Press the reset button of the gateway for 5s, the red light blinks and enters the waiting state. Open SmartLife app and click Add Device. Discover the device, Multimode Gateway, and click Add. Enter the SSID and password of the router you want to connect to. Note that it must be 2.4G Wi-Fi, not 5G Wi-Fi. Then the gateway is networked successfully. Part 2. App Add Rolling Shutter Motor. Short press the prog button 5 times, once per second, the 5th press and hold for 3s, see the green light blinking, Zigbee clear into the equal generation pairing state. Tap on the gateway, Multimode Gateway, click on Add Device, then associate the Bluetooth device, Multimode Gateway, and then found the rolling equipment. Add successfully. The app can control the roller blinds internally, as well as limit settings, timer functions, etc. Section 4 Alexa Control. Open the shades that have been added in the app and click on the Settings button in the top right corner. Then click on Device Information and then Alexa. If you have installed Alexa and have registered Alexa, it will automatically jump to Alexa, link Alexa. Wait a few seconds for the Alexa app to prompt success, and then return to SmartLife. In SmartLife you can change the name of the shade, e.g. Room Shade, so that you can control your shade, using the Alexa speakers. Alexa, open Room Shade.
Okay.
Alexa, close Room Shade.
Okay.